Hey guys, today we have a 2010 Ford Ranger and it's 10 years old and the wheels are currently stuck onto the axle, and I'm going to show you how to remove the wheel. So currently all of our lug nuts are off, and if you see, the wheel's stuck onto the axle hub. So now we're going to try to take some, we have some penetrating oils, happens to be PB Blaster, and we're going to spray it around the axle area, right around the hub, and in through the lug nuts as well, so it can seep through the back axle area to hopefully free up all the rust. So now we're going to let it sit, and while we wait, before we let it sit for about an hour, we're going to take a hammer and just hit the wheel a little bit and tire, so the penetrating fluid can work itself away through the hub. You might just want to spin it so it works its way around and gets through there to break up all that rust. So now we're going to try to hit the tire from the inside, forcing it outwards. So we'll give it a few shots here with the dead blow. Rotate it a little bit. And currently, I don't think it's going anywhere for us. So we're going to try a few other methods. So now we're going to try to torque in our lug nuts on the wheel to force the wheel inwards into the hub. We're going to torque them a little bit over the spec. We have a gun here, I think it's rated to about 350 foot-pounds. So we're going to put them on. First, start them by hand a little bit. And we'll torque them up. Let them hammer on there for a second. Start by hand a little bit. Force them on. Don't want to hit them too hard and risk stripping out the studs or breaking them. So let's hit them one more time. So now we're going to try to just hit it with a hammer a little bit, see if we can free it up at all. Okay, now we're going to loosen these lug nuts. So now that the lug nuts are off, we're going to try to hit the tire from the front first, see if we can free it up, and then we'll go from the back and see if we can pop it off. Okay, now I'm going to go from the back side, try giving it a few swings there, and try to give it a few swings. So that didn't really seem to do anything, so now we're going to try another method. We're trying to give the tire a few good kicks. Okay, we're trying to give the tire a few more kicks, see if we can free it up. There you go. Looks like it's about loose. And now, take it off the hub. Okay, so now that we got the wheel off, the rotor and hub, what you want to do next is you want to clean the face here and around the axle hub here. So you want to wire brush it and clean off the surface where it mates to the hub and wheel. And once that's all clean, you want to spray it down with some brake parts cleaner. Then after that, apply a good anti-seize so you're not with this problem again. So on the inside of the wheel here, you want to clean off the surface where it mates, and as well as around inside the hub. You can see it's pretty oily from the PB Blaster, and it did get pretty rusty, so you want to clean that up so it's not seized when you try to take it off next time you do any work on your vehicle. don't you have an air hammer? So now we want to lightly coat some anti-seize on the back side of the wheel to prevent the stiction rust from happening.